Foodpanda promo code, how to use. If you want to use the Foodpanda promo code, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Foodpanda app, log into our account. There are two ways that we can apply a promo code. First, you can tap the account icon from the bottom right, then go to vouchers. You will see a list of vouchers which you can tap the use now button to use for a certain order, or you can tap on add voucher and enter your promo code manually. The other way you can do is during the checkout process. Once you add the product that you want to order to your cart, then you go to review payment and address, or before that, if you scroll down, you can see it says apply a voucher. So this is also where you can enter another voucher code, or you can also redeem points, or you can choose one of the vouchers that they're offering you to be able to apply on Foodpanda. This way you can apply Foodpanda voucher. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon, as always, in the next video.